ArtEvo presents The Journey of ATO. It all began with a simple idea: to blend poetry with artificial intelligence. We were just a small team, united by a big vision: to create ATO. Across countries, cultures, and disciplines, our team came together.
What happens if there's if it's kind of a picture that involves more common kind of characters or things you would imagine as in more on the web, but what you have, it seems to be like a fairly stylized picture. It has non-English text in it, which also makes it generating text is actually a pretty difficult thing for models to do in images in a non-trivial way. I saw actually in the previous example, you were trying to use Qwen as one of your models, and actually I think the latest version of Qwen is supposed to have made a significant improvement in text generation and images, so you might want to check that out. I just saw that from a talk from one of the research scientists who works there like 2 days ago. So I'm not sure if the latest model is available yet, but that's one of the things they actually focused on. And if you're thinking about image generation for poetry, where you might actually want to have some text in the image that's generated, you might try that model out just to see how well it works.
With guidance from mentors like Mr. Lara and Professor Sahami, we grew stronger. Step by step, we turned concepts into prototypes, building, testing, and refining. We shared our ideas, challenged assumptions, and learned from every discussion. One highlight was presenting ATO to Stanford professor Dr. Sahami in August 2022, a milestone in our journey. Through persistence and creativity, we shaped ATO into something real. ATO is more than a project. It is a place where poetry meets AI, creating new ways of expression. And most importantly, it's about connection, people engaging with technology in meaningful ways. This is only the beginning of our story. With gratitude to our mentors, friends, and partners who made this possible, ArtEvo. ATO, where poetry meets AI.
My name is Jay. I'm a rising senior here at ArtEvo. I was the front-end designer for the team. And what I really loved about this project is that we got to refine our vision, making this project into something that was usable and really special. And I think one thing that this showed us is that like AI can be used as like a supportive, accessible tool for everyone, not just someone improving their workflow, not something to just generate something out of thin air, but something to support the creative journey for everyone that's involved in it.
Hi, my name is Steven Shang, and I'm a rising 10th grader in the Bay Area. And for this project, I worked as a backend developer to develop the algorithms and AI to make personalized art. My most memorable experience of all of this is to work with my other teammates and work on a project that I'm really passionate about, and that includes art and music. My message to the younger generations would be to explore your passions and use technology to transform lives.
Hello, my name is Sachi. I'm a rising senior going to a school called ConLab School in California. I work on the part where we convert poems to audio and also poems to music. And I really enjoy working on this project because I really enjoy coding, I'm gaining new skills, and also because I really like art and music. And so it's combining two of my favorite interests together. And I am learning a lot of coding. I'm working on using Python as a language for our code, and so I'm gaining a lot of skills in creating this app.
Hi, my name is Hanjun Lee, and I'm in 11th grade. And in this ArtEvo project, I was a part of the backend team. And something I took away from this experience was, I think, how important business is just as the technical side. So I learned a lot of business skills, communication skills with my team. And one empowering message I would give to people my age would be definitely using all this new technology, innovative technology, towards your passion to help your community. And I think that's one thing you could take away.